Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to refund items that you bought in Fortnite because you don't like them anymore, for example. So first of all, hop onto your Fortnite account and click onto this icon right here to access the settings. Then click on this gear symbol right here and onto this account settings symbol right here, this person. You click on this to get into your account settings, and here you can see your recent purchases and you can see the button return or cancel purchase. So if you want to return or cancel something, you click on this button right here, and then you can see all your purchases that are eligible for refund. So you're only able to refund things that you bought 30 days or less ago. So if you bought something over 30 days ago, you won't be able to refund it. So keep that in mind. And then you can see, for example, here I bought this pack right here, and if I want to cancel it and get my V-Bucks back, I click on cancel purchase. You have to hold that down. Then you get the V-Bucks directly to your account, and this is only possible for V-Buck purchases, so you can directly refund this in Fortnite and get your V-Bucks back on your account. But if you bought something with money, for example this starter pack right here, you can see I'm not able to refund this in here. I don't have the cancel purchase button. And a little bonus tip, if you want to refund things like this, you have to visit the fortnite.gg/platform refunds webpage. That's this site right here. Just type in fortnite.gg/platform refunds. You'll be sent to this page right here, and here you can see the support for different platforms. So if you want to refund something that you bought with money directly, then you'll have to message the support for the platform you play on, and they can hopefully help you refund this item.